Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and today I'll be teaching you how you're going to add your service inside SlabWare system. So let's go to the tutorial.
So let's continue with products, but this time we're going to show you how to add services in the system. These are not visible on the website, and unlike products, they can only be included in the order. For example, installation, polishing, cooktop cutouts, and more. Go to Products, Services, and then New Service. Just like the products we saw in the previous tutorial videos, the registration form for services is almost the same. The only field you don't need to fill in is the front-end description, like I said before, since this is a product that clients don't see or purchase on the website. As you can see here on the website, the only products visible to clients are sinks, faucets, and the items from the Other Products section. This is an order, and as we can see down here in the Services section, these are all the services the client has added to the order, like fabrication, installation, template, and sealer application. Back in the registration form, start by filling in the name of the service. Then select the supplier. Next, enter the similar code for this service. Set the sales price. Choose the type of price, unit, linear, or square. Add the default description. This is a preview description of the service for appear on the order page. The average cost shows a reference cost for the service based on historical sales. It's like an average value of what is usually charged. In the left side, you can upload an image that represents the service. The internal use option is only for items that clients cannot order, and taxable should be checked if the service is subject to taxes. After filling in all the necessary information, click Save. Back in the list of services, you can see all the services registered in the system, along with some important details. Let's check the service we just created. Cutouts for cooktop and sink. In the first column, you can see the image that was uploaded. Next is the supplier's name, the similar code, the price, and whether the service is marked for internal use or not. With the $ icon, you can change if the service is taxable. Use the pencil icon to edit, and the trash icon to delete a registered service. Now let's add a service to an order to show you how it works. Click Edit, then go to Services. Here you'll see the full list of services you registered in the system. Choose the services you want to add to the order and click Confirm. Any services marked as taxable will automatically have taxes applied during the order process. And here is the default description we added earlier during the service registration. See you in the next video.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside slabware.com and start a free trial right now.